Pambansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Pambansang pamilya. Samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na banding ng pamilya.
Hi Papam fans! Nandito ako ngayon sa Candelaria, Quezon, dito sa Aquawood Garden and Resort. Bakit ako nandito ngayon? Wala lang, trip ko lang magpakapagod tapos mag-travel all the way to Candelaria, Quezon. Charot! Siyempre gusto ko tong place na to, napakaganda, promise. Kasama ko ngayon, walang iba kundi si King. Siya lang po ang kasama ko today, look. Hi, King! Hello! Oy. Hi, King! Ayan. Come, look. King, look. Hi, King! Hi, King! Oh, diba? Si King ang aming giant poodle. So, nandito kami ngayon to celebrate the birthday of Princess and Ren. Kaya naman, let's go! Wait lang pakita ko lang yung room. And si King, super cute. And that's the room. And overlooking siya ng pool. There you go. Look at that. Merong kiddie pool and merong adult pool. So there you go. Balik ako. Pasok ako ulit. Hi, King! Ayan. And we go down. So, madaming rooms dito. Look at this chandelier. We're going down now. Pababa ako kasi merong lunch. Yan. So, when we got here at Aquawood Garden and Resort, after checking in, we're having lunch. Ito yung lobby nila. As a vlogger, hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Charot.
Papapampam ba yung tao doon? Papapampam.
Hello po. Yan. Anong year kaya ito mapopost?
2020.
Birthday boy.
Hi.
Birthday girl.
Mom, when we're done eating, are we gonna swim?
What?
When we're done eating, are we gonna swim?
I saw the pool. It's beautiful but it's too hot. Later pa. Okay? It's too hot. You're gonna be burned like this. Burned like this. Oh. Diba? O, kakain muna kami ha. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you, babe! Yay! Yay!
Wish.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! future vice mayor. Charot! Joke lang. Ayan. Thank you, Leo. Salamat. Oo.
7,000. Ito ba? Okay sa'yo to.
Ang cute naman. Ano ba yan?
Ito yan. Siya ang nag-assist.
Thank you! Diba? Ang cute naman! Sobra naman! Baka maiyak ka pa, Daddy! So, ito yung kanilang new wing. Tara, let's check it out. Check it out. Ganda. Lang siya. Ganda. It's already nighttime here at Aquawood Garden and Resort, and we are on our way to the venue of the intimate birthday party of Princess and Daddy Ren. Let's go! Babe, Kuya tara doon.
Wala na, pusing na dila.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candle.
Blow!
Yeah! Happy birthday!
table po. At after noon, yung po ako napipila. Akala mo dami table eh. Hindi, lahat na daw po. Ayan. May we request everybody to stand up and let's have a picture taking with our birthday celebrants.
Ayan! So this is a very intimate gathering and we're just so happy to celebrate life! So happiest birthday, Daddy Ren and my dearest Princess Nicole.
Papam-pam-pam, bansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Papam-pam-pam, bansang pamilya. Papam-pam, samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na banding ng pamilya.